Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. We're being a little bit quiet this morning because Matthew is like used to sleeping. Feel weird not talking loudly. What we're doing today is a little bit weird. This is like the cheesecake. If you haven't watched it, link down below. Go check it out. I don't know what I made, I still don't know. Today we're doing another one of those recipes. Another one that looks too good to be true, yes. Another 5-minute recipe. Let's call it that. Today I'm actually following the recipe exactly as it's supposed to be. You know, that very rarely happens. So what we're doing today is making mason jar ice cream. Mason jar ice cream. Anyone who knows how to make ice cream knows that it takes quite a lot of effort to make a proper ice cream. But no, what we're doing is taking all of our 4 ingredients, throwing them in here, shaking it up real good, and then popping it in the freezer and hoping for ice cream. So that's what we're doing today. Mason jar ice cream. Here's what we need. A pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I need to organize my life a little bit more. And a cup of cream, heavy whipping cream. Let's see how this goes. Since the cheesecake debacle, I'm not entirely sure about this. Skeptical of these kinds of recipes. All right, so I don't know, let's do it. Let's just do it, right? Oh, someone's been in my cream. 1 cup of cream. Almost a disaster. Pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla, good enough, 1.5, good enough. All right, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Can you see my skepticism setting in? All right, and now we shake it, I guess. This is a workout and a half. Hello. Hello. She's staring at the dogs. Oh, please. Let's keep shaking. Shake your medicine. Shake it up. Nice and thick. I'm making ice cream in a jar. I don't see this working very well. All right. Let's have a peek inside, shall we? It says it should coat the back of a spoon. It's coated. Interesting. Let's just shake it up some more. Shake it up real good. All right. So, I'm gonna say that this is well enough shaken. I've been shaking it for a while now. It's good enough. Now we're gonna throw this into the freezer for like 3 hours and hope it turns into ice cream. See you guys then. My mission for a higher angle is now just resulted in me putting this on top of the dragon enclosure. The mason jar ice cream is done, obviously. I worked and it's been sitting in the freezer ever since. So let's crack this baby open. You know, if I can. Yeah, that's a pleasing sound. It's so cold on my hands. I have a spoon! I just realized how crazy this is gonna be because this video started out as me being like, shh, everyone, quiet. Master is sleeping. And now I'm just back to my usual like, what is happening? Loudness. All right, let's see. Whoa. Oh, goodness me, no, it's too cold. Well, it's solid, that's for sure. Come on, I gotta get a decent scoop out of this. Decent scoop, yes.
You know what, let's let it sit out for a second so I can actually get a proper taste of that, rather than just licking my hands like a crazy person. Shall I pop it in the microwave? No, we don't do that. We don't microwave ice cream. Although when I was little, I did. I would tell my mum, it's too cold. I don't want it. Please microwave it. My mum would put my ice cream in the microwave because that's what I had requested. And she would bring back a bowl of melted ice cream. And then I'd be sad because my ice cream was melted. I wasn't a smart child. Anyway, do you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside? Oh yeah, kind of ice cream. Kind of. I'm too lazy to wait. So you know what, here's the thing. The little bit that I've managed to taste. I'm honestly not actually mad at it. It is rather difficult right now for me to get anything out of here, but it actually has a very gentle taste, a very gentle flavor, which for me is fantastic. Believe it or not, I don't have the biggest sweet tooth in the whole wide world. I guess it's ice cream. It's frozen the way ice cream freezes. It has, my freezer is really, really cold. So even normal ice cream that we put in there, we have to like leave it out to melt a little bit before you can actually serve anything up. I'm not mad at it. It tastes nice actually. I like it. I kind of suggest you try this one actually. I mean, like, it takes 5 minutes, four ingredients. Much cheaper to just make Shakey Shake ice cream. That is it for today. Quick and easy. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments below. And if you want to support me, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.